In fact, my dear friends, iGlow is a very innovative product which is launched by Indus Viva. I'd like to tell you these 5 important points on iGlow, 4 important points on iGlow. The first thing is, it is a very good skin lightening product. Second is, it improves the skin moisturization. The third thing is, it improves anti-aging, and it is also helpful for different kinds of skin diseases like dermatitis, etc., which are already proven in our preclinical trials. You can openly speak about this in the field and get your sales as well. Well, apart from this, the next important thing what we are doing in Indus Viva is called as clinical trials. Clinical trials is nothing but using the product on the human beings. This is a very important thing. My dear friends, clinical trials is very important to establish the safety and efficacy of the product on men, women as well as kids. And apart from this, clinical trials are usually done in major hospitals. It is not done in a very small place like a clinic or a nursing home. It is done in big hospitals which are approved by the government committees. And what is the use of these clinical trials? With the help of these clinical trials, you can evaluate the benefits and the claims of the product. It actually helps for positioning the product in the market. And the other important thing is, with the help of clinical trials, you can also give the product to modern allopathic doctors where they can prescribe the product and you can get your sales. And finally, clinical trials will effectively handle all kinds of legal issues. This is also very important for us. Well friends, Indus Viva is already conducting 6 clinical trials on all our 6 products which are already under progress as of now. Apart from this, I would like to list you some of the major hospitals where our clinical trials are actually undergoing. Probably you might, everybody of you might be knowing about Narayana Hrudayalaya, which is one of the major cardiac centers in the whole country. My dear friends, iPulse is a product which is going to undergo the clinical trial in Narayana Hrudayalaya. This is one of the big boom to the multi-level marketing industry because no other company in India or the world have ventured into such kind of a scientific activity in such a big hospital. Not only Narayana Hrudayalaya, you can see the list on the screen. These are all the hospitals where our clinical trials are going to happen in Bangalore. Well friends, I would like to share you some more information. In fact, iPulse is going to undergo the clinical trial in Narayana Hrudayalaya, and everybody knows the great Dr. Devi Shetty. Dr. Devi Prasad Shetty, who is the most famous cardiologist, he is going to be the ethical committee head in the Narayana Hrudayalaya, who will be scrutinizing our iPulse product. This is one of the best things that a multi-level marketing company in India can have. And apart from that, all the other products are also undergoing trials in big hospitals like Ambedkar Medical College, Bangalore Medical College, Oxford Medical College, where top doctors will be doing the clinical trials on our products, which is a very important thing for your digital techno marketing of our products as well. Well friends, apart from this, the third point that I wanted to notify here is regarding the publications. Publication is a very important thing which is nothing but the proof of concept. Whatever I have spoken till now has to be published in a paper. Only then it will have a value. This is what is exactly called as publication, and that is what Indus Viva is actually doing. So publications, when we see, already there are 7 publications which are available on our websites, which I will tell you in 1 or 2 minutes from now. And apart from that, totally by the end of 1 or 2 months, we will be having total 16 publications from Indus Viva totally, which all of you distributors can use it for improving your sales. Well friends, one more important thing I have to tell here. In fact, Indus Viva is planning a total of 100 publications in 1 year from now, which is a very important target for every one of us. A company like a big company, a multinational pharmaceutical company doesn't have 100 publications, my friends. We will have 100 publications by the end of 2021. This is actually a promise from our side. Well friends, apart from that, company has also have the registered trademarks with us. Each and every product and their brand name is also having trademarks, so that no company in the whole world can even copy our brand names. Leave alone copying the formula, even our brand names cannot be copied. This is what is exactly called as trademarking. And apart from that, Indus Viva has also applied for lots of patenting activities. Our products at the earliest will have all kinds of process patents with us. Well, friends, apart from this, the next important topic what I am trying to focus here is called as the